Listen to the voice and recognize the words. With One Piece. Let's begin.
俺の名を世界中に轟かせてやる。
Did you get it? One more time.
俺の名を世界中に轟かせてやる。
Answer. He said.
俺の名を世界中に轟かせてやる。
俺の
Means my.
名
Means name.
世界中
Means all over the world.
轟かせる
Means make one's name well known in the world.
してやる
Is expressing his strong will. Translation should be, will do. So, the whole sentence means, I will make my name known all over the world. Next one.
腹減った。
Did you get it? One more time.
腹減った。
Answer. He said.
腹減った。
腹
Means stomach or belly.
減った
Means decreased.
腹減った
Means I'm hungry. But
腹
is an informal word and usually used only by men. We usually say
お腹すいたお腹
means stomach or belly.
すいた
Means empty. You could also say
お腹減った
last one.
お安いご用だ、キャプテン。
Did you get it? One more time.
お安いご用だ、キャプテン。
Answer. He said.
お安いご用だ、キャプテン。
安い
Usually mean cheap, but it means easy in this case.
よ
Means task.
うお
And
ご
are there to make it polite.
キャプテン
Means captain. So, literal translation is, it's an easy task. But the liberal translation would be, it's not a big deal, captain, or, it's a piece of cake, captain. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have fun.